So hi, my name is Alexis, and this is my first time cooking.
What do you cook?
I'm cooking eggs.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
Oh. And why? What happened? ก็ใช้ปลาก็ cook egg ก็นอเหรอ
Yes.
ก็เนี่ยเนี่ยจะก็เนี่ยเขาจะ cook ก็นอ
Cause I'm recording a video.
โอ้เอ้ก็chỉ học món đóก็chỉ học luôn món
Well, I didn't know Mong that much.
เอ้ก็chỉ học món có mà mình để đi do kết đủ đó rồi do kết đỡ rồi do món
My mom and dad are Hmong, but I don't know Hmong. I got a Hmong teacher and her can learn me say Hmong.
โอ้แต่ฉันnó có chọnว่าจี
I'm cooking eggs.
ก็โอเคđó có chọnว่าจะไปmix together đó
Yes.
โอ้เอ้ก็นอกไปบอกcá thế ạ
Huh?
cá đó
Mm-hmm.
ok món nó Alexis chỉใช้ปลาthì bên gần gần thì nó Alexis cook egg cho Alexis nó đó thì Alexis có muốn chơi xong Alexis
Huh?
có muốn chơi xong à
I don't know what you're talking about.
how old are you
I'm 5.
5
Yeah, I told you.
oh okay
So my first time cooking.
Alexis ok Alexis nó đây tôi coi thì Alexis tư nó lò là Alexis một chiếc xong Alexis mà đi qua Alexis biết ba Alexis qua nè yeah careful burn yourself no the oil and the bad okay mix together is hot enough or not hot yet
I don't know.
okay wait a little bit Alexis okay Alexis no nè oh slow Alexis đó nhỏ quá cook thân trong sự slowly not harder
I'm sorry. I think it's done. I think it's done.
put the egg in it
How do I do it? Get
Okay.
a spoon.
put it all the egg in it slowly burn your hand don't close to the pan don't use your hand close to the pan then burn okay wait a little bit
So I'm just waiting so I can get ready.
wait until hold this wait until the cooking ready
So I'm recording now. So my mom's washing her hands. And now I'm recording now.
tụi nhỏ nó nếu mà chỉ sống sự đó thì khi còn nó chắc kỹ cái nó là thì thầu yêu họ cứ gần gần rồi lo yêu họ hay còn nếu mà uo nếu mà nếu họ chắc uo đó nó thì li chỉ khai sai yêu go bread too okay you this one do this
Oh, it's almost ready.
yeah do not use the hand touching here burn yourself slowly Alexis kick cái nó đó
Now I
Alexis
can cook.
yeah Alexis oh no
I will remember.
Nên tiền nhưng mà kick cái đó nó đó
When I grow up, so when I grow up, I'm gonna cook egg for you all days.
Careful, burn your hand.
I know. So now the egg done.
Yeah, the egg done. Wait. Hold this. Hold it. Hold
So,
it for the egg. I gonna turn around the egg.
so now the egg is done. Now mom's gonna flip it. It looks good. Here, come on.
Rồi là xì cho cây xìa nữa. So, có món mì cà hay đồ nó cái ký xứ mình nhỏ nó tí lì lì là mình nhỏ chứa nó cái ký.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. You cut it. Well, I cannot use real knives because that's gonna cut me.
Alo tay nó luôn. Xìa rồi không? Kia, ra tầm đi. Khi găm luôn. Găm một đôi con no.
How about more than this?
Nhớ cho mình nhớ tao có rau no mà món gì đây lọ.